everyone! Today we are going to make one of the most iconic and original dishes by Filipinos. And it's called the Sinuglaw. Sinuglaw stands for Sinugba and Kinilaw. So it is a combination of Sinugba or grilled pork belly and Kinilaw, which is the malasugi or blue marlin fish marinated in coconut vinegar. So how to make it, I'm gonna show you. So these are the ingredients of our sinuglaw. First is for the sinugba or the grilled pork belly. So this is our pork. This is 1 kilogram of pork belly marinated in soy sauce, calamansi, and onion, garlic, and salt and pepper. So we are going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. So let's go to our kinilaw. So these are the ingredients for our kinilaw or our fresh fish salad. This is a kilogram of blue marlin or malasugi in Tagalog and Bisaya. Tomatoes, those that are not so ripe and seeded. So remove the seeds so that it will not be watery. Red onions, these are 2 pieces of red onions, large size. So this is 2 pieces of cucumber sliced diagonally and seeds removed. 2 pieces of bell peppers sliced thinly. And this one is called the tabon-tabon, or in English, this is Tuna racemosa. I'm not sure if this is the correct pronunciation. And we have here, this is calamansi, 3 pieces of calamansi or the green lemon. And then lime. Here, I have 2 pieces. The other one is sliced like this. And the other one is just cut in half. So we will squeeze this to our salad later. We have red chilies, 3 pieces, sliced diagonally. And we have here a 1/4 cup of ginger, sliced thinly. So I have here 2 kinds of coconut vinegar. The orange one will be for the washing of our blue marlin fish. So this one, the white one, is for the flavoring or the seasoning for our salad. So this has a taste of sour. This one is the sour and this one is sweeter. Then I'm gonna use honey as our sweetener. You can also use brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of patis or fish sauce. And for our sinuglaw, I'm gonna add some coconut milk. So before we go into our kinilaw or sinuglaw, we have to grill our pork belly. So this is now our grilled pork belly, and I already sliced it into cubes. So let us set this aside and we are going to make our kinilaw. So first, I'm going to extract the sap of our tabon-tabon. So we are going to use tabon-tabon for our kinilaw. So tabon-tabon will serve as a neutralizer for our vinegar, and it will also mask the taste of our fish. So we are going to extract the sap using a spoon. So as you can see, the pulp of our tabon-tabon looks like the brain. So once it's done, so our pulp looks like this. And then we are going to add our vinegar into the sap. So since we have a kilogram of our blue marlin, I'm going to use 1 cup of our coconut vinegar, the orange one. So pour it over to our pulp and then press it like this. So you can prepare this beforehand and let it stand for a few minutes so that the sap will be extracted from the pulp. So this is going to neutralize the acidity of our vinegar. So we will strain our mixture. So let's wash our fish with our vinegar and the sap of our tabon-tabon. So once it's mixed, we're going to let this our fish soak for at least 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want it to be raw, so you can adjust the time. You can shorten the time to 5 minutes in soaking it to the vinegar. So while we are soaking our fish into the vinegar, let's make our dressing. So I'm going to use now the white coconut vinegar. So this has a sour taste. So I'm gonna use 1 cup. So I almost forgot Sprite or our lemon lime soda drink. I will just add half of this. I will add 90 ml. Our fish sauce and our coconut milk. And honey. Salt. So give it a stir. And then let's add our spices. So this is our lime. And then our calamansi. So there is already an availability of calamansi juice in the market, so you can use it. But for me, I like it fresh. So this will add a citrusy flavor to our fish. So let's add our ginger and chilies, bell peppers, onion, tomatoes, and our cucumber. So let's set aside some for garnish. So let's mix it. So by the way, if you are in the other countries and you don't have tabon-tabon, it's okay not to use it. And also, if you don't have coconut vinegar, you can use cane vinegar, balsamic vinegar, or apple cider vinegar. So after a few minutes of soaking our fish in the vinegar and tabon-tabon mixture, so let's add it to our vinaigrette or to our salad. So make sure that your hands are clean, and then both hands, and then just press or squeeze it a little bit. And add it to our salad. So let's add in our grilled pork belly. And let's mix it. So now here's our finished product. This is our Sinuglaw.